Anniversaries are more than just dates on a calendar. They are milestones, markers of love, commitment, and the journey you have built together. Whether it is your first anniversary or your golden 50th, finding the right gift for her is about more than spending money. It is about meaning. While flowers and chocolates are sweet gestures, nothing makes her light up quite like jewelry. If you have been searching jewelry near me or exploring local jewelry stores to find that perfect anniversary present, you are already on the right track. Jewelry is not just beautiful. It carries emotion, memory, and a timeless quality that turns a special day into an unforgettable one. In this guide, we will break down the best anniversary gifts for her, why jewelry always stands out, and how to choose the right piece. We will also help you find trusted jewelry stores in Arcadia, explore options for Arcadia jewelry repair, and discover the best ways to make your anniversary gift as meaningful as your love story. Why jewelry makes the best anniversary gift? There is a reason jewelry has been the go-to anniversary gift for centuries. It is personal. A ring, bracelet, or necklace chosen with her style in mind shows thoughtfulness. It lasts forever. Unlike flowers or a dinner date, fine jewelry is something she can keep and wear for a lifetime. It marks the occasion. Jewelry becomes tied to the moment. Years from now, she will remember the day you gave it to her every time she wears it. When you search for the nearest jewelry options or visit trusted jewelry stores, you are not just buying a piece of metal and gemstones. You are investing in a memory she will treasure. Best anniversary jewelry gift ideas for her diamond stud earrings. Classic, versatile, and elegant. They are perfect for everyday wear, yet sophisticated enough for formal occasions. Many women consider diamond studs a must-have in their collection, making them an excellent anniversary gift. Anniversary bands. If you are celebrating a milestone year, an anniversary band is a beautiful way to symbolize lasting love. These rings can be stacked with her wedding band or worn alone for a statement look. Personalized necklaces. A necklace with her initials, your anniversary date, or a gemstone that reflects her birth month feels incredibly personal. When you are browsing jewelry stores in Arcadia, ask about customization options to add that extra sentimental touch. Tennis bracelets. Timeless and luxurious, tennis bracelets are gifts that say, "I love you endlessly." They pair beautifully with both casual and formal outfits. Gemstone jewelry, not every piece has to be a diamond. Sapphires, rubies, emeralds, or even semi-precious stones can make stunning and colorful anniversary gifts. Searching for jewelry in Arcadia gives you access to local jewelers who carry a wide variety of gems to fit every taste and budget. Shopping locally. Why Arcadia is a jewelry destination. If you are in Southern California, you have probably noticed the number of jewelry stores in Arcadia that have built a reputation for quality and craftsmanship. Local jewelers not only provide stunning collections, but also deliver a personalized experience you will not find online. Searching for jewelry near me might bring up countless results, but a boutique Arcadia jewelry repair shop or local jewelry stores often give you direct access to experts who can help you choose, customize, and care for your anniversary gift. The importance of jewelry, repair, and maintenance. Anniversary gifts are meant to last. That means proper care is essential. If you have ever searched for jewelry repair around me, or specifically Arcadia jewelry repair, you already know that accidents happen. Clasps break, stones loosen, or rings need resizing. By working with a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop, you ensure that her treasured pieces stay in perfect condition for years to come. Many local jewelers not only sell jewelry, but also specialize in maintenance, cleaning, and repair services to protect your investment. How to choose the right jewelry store. When it comes to anniversaries, the shopping experience matters just as much as the gift itself. Here is what to look for when visiting jewelry stores. Reputation. Look for stores with excellent reviews and a history of happy clients. Selection. From diamonds to colored stones, variety matters. Customization. A great jeweler can help you design or engrave something unique. Services. The best stores offer not only sales, but also Arcadia jewelry repair and long-term maintenance. Expert guidance. You want jewelers who listen and help guide you, not just sell to you. By focusing on these factors, your search for the nearest jewelry store will lead you to the right place. Adding a personal touch to jewelry. Jewelry may be the centerpiece of your gift, but adding a personal element makes it even more special. Consider pairing her new piece with a handwritten love letter, a photo album of your years together, a romantic dinner at her favorite restaurant, a weekend getaway. These additions show her that you put thought into every detail, and they will make the jewelry gift even more unforgettable. Jewelry is always the right choice. When it comes to anniversaries, jewelry always stands out as the most thoughtful, lasting, and meaningful gift. Whether it is a sparkling pair of earrings, a symbolic anniversary band, or a personalized necklace, jewelry says, what words sometimes cannot. You mean everything to me. By exploring local jewelry stores in Arcadia, checking out the nearest jewelry shops, or even relying on trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shops for maintenance, you are not just buying a gift. You are building a tradition. Celebrate your anniversary with Dorano jewelry. If you are ready to find the perfect anniversary gift, look no further than Dorano jewelry. As one of the most trusted jewelry stores in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry offers a stunning selection of fine jewelry that makes every anniversary unforgettable. From diamond earrings and anniversary bands to one-of-a-kind custom pieces, we provide not only exquisite designs, but also expert Arcadia jewelry repair to keep your treasures shining for a lifetime. Whether you are searching for jewelry near me, need professional jewelry repair around me, or want the guidance of a knowledgeable Arcadia jewelry repair shop, Dorano Jewelry is your destination for quality craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Celebrate your love the right way. Visit Dorano Jewelry today and discover the perfect anniversary gift for her.